Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with the day 8 of ANAMBER series. And today I'm here with a makeup tutorial, and this is my go-to makeup look which is requested from one of you angels, and her name is Anita Singh. She actually requested on this post right here that she wants to see this makeup look. So your wish is my command, and I hope you guys will surely enjoy this. And even I feel I haven't done a makeup look in ages. So here it is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such updates, and even follow me on my social media like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, every possible where. So everything is in the description box. Do check it out, and yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So as you can see, my skin is already prepped, and even I have applied some lip balm, and this is the Nivea lip balm in the shade Peach Shine. And now straight away I'm going to move on to my primer, and for that I'm going with this MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face, and I'll make sure that my eyes are covered, and I'm just going to let it sink into my skin. And now for my foundation, I'll be going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm going to apply this all over my face with a damp beauty sponge. And now for highlighting and concealing my face, I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Pale. And now again I'm going to blend this out with the same beauty sponge. And now I'm going to set the concealed area, and for that I'm going with this Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder. And I'm going to dust this on the areas I have highlighted and concealed my face. And with a bigger and fluffier brush, I'm going to dust this all over my face. And now to contour my face, I'm going with this contour shade from Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'll be going with this on the hollows of my cheeks, on the jawline, and even on the temple area, and slightly on the nose. And now I'll be going with mix of two blushes, and the first one is Milani Powder Blush in the shade Romantic Rose, and the other one is Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And for this, what I do, I just stamp this blusher right here this way and dust off excess, and then I'll be stamping on this. And now I'm going to apply this on my cheeks and in this stamping motion. And now whatever is left on my brush, I'm just going to apply this on the nose area. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And now again I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face. And now again I'm going to spritz some MAC Fix Plus on my face. And now I'm going to move on to my eyes, but before that I'll fill in my brows, and for that I'm just going to do this off the camera. But if you wish to check out my in-depth eyebrow routine, you can check out this eye right here, you'll reach that video. So guys, I'm back after filling in my brows. Now I'll move on to my eyes, and for that I'm going with this banana shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette again. Basically I'm just setting my eyelids here. And now again from the same palette I'm going with the contour shade. And I'll be going with this on my crease area and blend it out in the back and forward motion. And now from PAC Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm going with this rose gold shade. And I'll be applying this with my finger. And now with a blending brush, I'm going to pick up some more product. And again, I'm going with this on the lids area, and even I'm going to blend this on the crease area. Now from the same palette, I'll be going with this shade, and I'll be going with this on my eyebrow bone. And a little on the inner tear duct. And now on my lower lash line, I'll be going with a nude pencil. And this is the Wet n Wild Nude Pencil in the shade Calling Your Buff. And now to finish off my eyes, I'll be going with a mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes, just in the wiggling motion. So this is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Suave Mauve. So guys, this is the makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this go-to makeup look of mine. Like, I'm wearing this pretty much every day nowadays, and I think this is such an amazing look. I just changed up my lip shade because some days I really want to go a little bold on my lips, and some days I feel like wearing neutral shades. So this is what I have been doing pretty much every day from a month, and I hope you guys will surely like this, as this is a requested video from Anita Singh. Thank you so much for this request, because I thought creating a tutorial, but thank you for this request. I absolutely enjoyed, because I've been wearing this makeup look every day, and I can say it takes really less time, like almost 20 minutes, like nothing more than that. So I think this is my go-to makeup look, and it's gonna be because I am really liking this no kajal look actually, and even this look enhances and focuses on my eyes a lot. So I think I've been wearing this, and I'll be wearing this. So yeah, and I'm going to share with you guys what lip colors I've been switching on, and these are the lipstick I've been switching to. Like, some days I want to go with a red bold lip, so I go with this one. And this is the Bella Voste Ultime Matte Liquid Lipstick, which I got recently, and I think I really like the formulation of this. So yeah, this is in the shade 06 Wild Child, and this is the one I'm already wearing, and this is my go-to shade. And even I think I really like the formula and everything about Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipsticks, because it really stays on for long. And if you really want to know the in-depth review on this, so please check out this eye, you'll get that video over there. And even I've been switching to this, like yesterday's video I was wearing this shade on my jewelry collection, and this is the Sugar Smudge Me Not in the shade Plum Yum. So yeah, that's it for my go-to makeup look, and if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Even don't forget to hit the bell button, you'll be notified whenever I come up with any video. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. So yeah, we'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.